Brainfuse JobNow tutorial, another free database from the Maricopa County Library District. Brainfuse JobNow offers a one-stop shop for job keepers with Maricopa County Library cards. JobNow specialists are available daily to provide live, one-on-one assistance with resume creation, proofreading, and interview coaching. Brainfuse Live Help is available daily from 2 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, excluding holidays. All other JobNow resources are always available. To access JobNow, go to our webpage, www.mcldaz.org, click on Learn tab, click on Brainfuse JobNow. Enter your library card number and PIN number, which is usually the last 4 digits of your telephone number. Click on Click Here if you don't have a library card. The navigation bar at the top of the page provides easy access to all the resources plus an inbox, a task link, and access to your profile information. JobNow includes resume resources. You can take advantage of resume templates and resources to help you create a winning resume. Then submit your resume to the Resume Lab for personalized assistance. Job interviews. Find expert interviewing tips and resources, or connect live with an expert interview coach for one-on-one practice and suggestions. Career resources. Take an assessment to learn where to begin on your career path, or use eParachute to discover your skills and interests and the careers that match them. Adult Learning Center. Access Microsoft Office help, writing and math skill building tutorials, and resources to prepare for U.S. citizenship and high school equivalency tests. To start your job search, it is recommended you begin at the Career section. The section offers live coaching, unemployment assistance, job resources, and other useful links. Live Job Coach assists with searching, applying, and preparing for jobs. If Live Coach is not available, you can click on a link to assist you. The list takes you through the entire job search process. Unemployment assistance. Unemployment assistance takes you through the process of how to get benefits if needed, as well as provide a link to online resources. Job Resources provides a link for national job seekers as well as local resources for those seeking local jobs. Skill Surfer allows you to build your skills for a new career or job options. It offers ASVAB or ASVAB, nursing school exams, adult learning resources, ESL, videos, and more. With eParachute, you can find college majors and careers that match your skills and interests by completing the assessment. Once all the information is filled out, you get an assessment of your interests, ideas for careers, and suggested majors for college. You can refine your search even further by clicking on the links. Find career ideas and suggest majors. Once you've mastered or found a career or job interest, you'll want to build a resume that matches your skills with prospective employers. You can click on Live Resume Expert for assistance in building your resume, or you can click on Resume Templates to get started. We're going to click on Resume Templates. You have 3 choices of resume templates: chronological, combination, and functional resume templates. Let's take a look at a combination resume that lists your skills and experience first, followed by employment history. Now that your resume is the way you'd like, let's take a look at the job interview section. You can connect with a live interview coach, get interview tips, and online interview resources to help you prepare for an interview. Click on Interview Tips. I'm going to take a look at don'ts of interviewing tips to see what is offered. I'll read a few of them. Don't show up late. Arrive at least 15 minutes prior to the interview. Don't arrive with an untidy personal appearance. Dress professionally. It shows you care. Don't have a negative attitude. Don't show resentment for your past employer or otherwise exhibit a negative attitude. Employers will see this as a warning of things to come. Next, click on Online Resources. These resources are carefully selected to help you prepare for an interview. Let's take a quick look at interview tips. These tips are your chance to sell yourself to employers. It also gives you a chance to find out if the company and/or job is right for you. This webpage also has videos, top questions, and more tools to assist you. I hope you find this presentation helpful and will utilize Brainfuse JobNow in your career job endeavors. This now concludes our tour of Brainfuse JobNow.